Yes, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So, very good afternoon to all of you.
जी बात नहीं माने ना आप मेरी
Yes.
मानने नहीं थे ना उसने मैंने बोला 14 रुपये और भाई कर लो
क्यों ना?
80 करके आया 14 रुपये जो भाई करते हैं ना 80 रुपये गया था मतलब गिरने के बाद में बनाया होगा पर आप बताना मुझे
नहीं बने तो 100-150 रुपये
सुबह वाला
28 रुपये को लेके 35 रुपये निकल गए तो 100 रुपये अभी समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या लिए इनको वेट ही करते हैं करिए नहीं अभी नहीं पता
670 निकल गया आपके एग्जाम हो गए 670 का निकला
कितना पहुंचे उत्तर अभी 37-80 फोन हो रहा है
कुछ नहीं लिया था
अब नहीं पता कम
आज बहुत अच्छा बन गया मेरा इसका
2000 रुपये
ज़्यादा 2000 सही बना लिया 2000 किसी ने बना लिया वो जो मैं कुछ लिया था ना 14-22 वाला 50 पे लगाया था वो भी तो लिया 800 रुपये वहाँ से निकाल
मैंने 28 भी लगी 35 भी निकाली
14 को बोला था 1 लाख ले लो या तो 300 रुपये
So, students, let us start our today's session. So, before starting our session, we will do some basics of matrices like properties of determinant. Properties of determinant. If two rows or two columns of a matrices are same, if two rows or two columns of a determinant will be 0. Second, if one row or one column of a matrix is 0, if one row or column matrix, then determinant will be 0. Third, if we interchange two rows or two column of a matrix, if we interchange two rows or two columns of a matrix, then the determinant will be same, but there is only a change of sign. If we interchange two rows or two column of a matrix, then determinant will be same, but there is only a change of sign. Yes, value will remain the same. Okay, so we are doing first. We are starting with the syllabus like rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. What is rank of a matrix? It is the highest order non-zero. Sir, why you write randomly? Actually, better there is a bit problem in writing with the highest order non-zero minor of the matrix. Can you please show the previous slide? Sorry बेटे, previous slide यहाँ पे visible नहीं हो पाएगी. Just मैं आपको revise कर देता हूँ कि previous slide में क्या था. That was somewhere related to your plus 2 class. If we are interchanging two rows or two column of a matrix, then the determinant will remains the same. There is only a change of sign. Okay, आशीष, पता है आपको ये? एक तो ये था. Second, if two rows or two column of a matrix are same, the determinant is 0. If one row or one column of a matrix is 0, determinant is 0. वो हमने पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए थे प्रीवियस स्लाइड के अंदर. नाउ रैंक ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स, हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर नॉन जीरो माइनर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स is known as rank of a matrix. Highest order non-zero minor of the matrix is known as the rank of the matrix. Just keep your pen and notebook with you. Yes, students, please keep your pen and notebook with you. Like if A is a matrix, suppose this is the order of A 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Yes, please see this question carefully better. A is any matrix of order 3 by 3. Sir, please repeat again. All points due to network issue. I was unable to join the class. Better you can, Ria. मैंने अभी तक जो प्लस 2 का था वो प्रॉपर्टीज रिवाइज करवाई हैं आपको बेटा. उसके बाद ये फर्स्ट पार्ट ही स्टार्ट कराया मैंने रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. So rank of a matrix is the highest order non-zero minor of the matrix is known as rank of a matrix. Ab, suppose A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So the maximum rank of a matrix A will be less than equal to 3. Just please see this part beta. Rank of a matrix A will be less than equal to 3. Either 3 or less than 3. Abhi, how we will find the rank? First we will check the determinant of A. If the determinant of A is non-zero, then we will say the rank of matrix A will be 3. Yes, is it clear, students? If the determinant is non-zero, then we will say rank of matrix A will be 3. If ये केस 1 बना दिया मैंने, इसको केस 1 कर लीजिए, केस 1 कि if determinant of A is equal to 0, non-zero, then rank of a matrix A will be 3. Case 2, if just a minute, battery is low.
Thank you so much.
If case 2, if determinant of A is 0, if determinant A is 0, then you will say the rank of matrix. No, rank will never be 0 beta. Only in case of 0 matrix rank will be 0. Otherwise, the minimum rank of a matrix will be 1. If determinant A is 0, then you will say rank of a matrix A is less than 3. If determinant is 0, then you will say the rank of matrix A will be less than 3. It will be 2 or less than 2. So how many minors from this matrix we will get? Yes, anyone? How many minors we will get from this matrix? No, beta, there are 9 minors. Yes, Vansh, very good. There are 9 minors. बहुत अच्छे बेटे. देखिए क्या होते हैं minors. We are getting the minor corresponding to A11. We can get the minor corresponding to A12. We can get the minor corresponding to A13. Similarly, corresponding to all the elements, we can get the minor. सभी elements के corresponding, we will get the minors. Is it clear बेटा? Minor क्या होता है कि जैसे A11 के corresponding minor लिया, determinant of. Yes, please अभी revert मत कीजिए. जब मैं कहूँगा तभी revert करना बेटा. Minor corresponding to A11. ये देखिए बेटे, सी सोनल, अब माइनर कोरस्पोंडिंग टू A11 क्या होगा? दैट विल बी A22, 23, 32, 33. Yes, voice is audible to everyone. Yes, now the voice is audible. Okay. So we are getting the minor corresponding to A11. We will delete corresponding row and column. Determinant of A22, A23, 32, 33. Similarly, A12 के corresponding. So we will get 9 minors. We will get 9 minors. If any of the minor is non-zero, if any of the minor is non-zero, then we will say rank of a matrix is 2. इसको हम बोलते हैं रैंक, इसको नोटेशन होती है रैंक की, रैंक of a matrix A. This row shows the rank of a matrix A. कि out of these 9 minors, अगर हमें if we are getting at least one minor is non-zero, from here we are having 9 minors. Out of those 9 minors, if one minor is non-zero, then the rank of matrix A will be 2. Is it clear, students? हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्लियर है पॉइंट? नो, rank can be of any order matrix. It can be square matrix, it can be non-square matrix. अभी मैं जस्ट एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का बता रहा हूँ, फिर इसके ड्रॉबैक बताऊंगा. Then we will use another method to find the rank of the matrix. Then I will tell you the another method to find the rank of the matrix. First, you please tell me, is it clear? यहाँ तक क्लियर है सभी को? Please raise your hand for any doubt. Mayank, Kshitij is, yes, is there any doubt? Kshitij, wait. Now you are the presenter. बताइए बेटे, क्या डाउट है क्षितिज? Yes, please tell me Kshitij. You raise your hand. हाँ जी बोलो बच्चे.
सर रैंक का आप एक बार और समझा सकते हैं, मतलब रैंक क्या होता है?
रैंक मैंने बताया है, इट इज द हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर नॉन जीरो माइनर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. ओके, अब ये देखिए, ये मेरे पास 3x3 ऑर्डर का एक माइनर है पहले तो. Here we are having a matrix of order 3x3. If the determinant of 3x3 matrix is non-zero, then we will say rank of matrix A will be 3. Is it clear?
Okay.
अगर मेरे पास if the determinant of A is 0, then we will take a minor of order 2x2. I will give you an example. Riya, wait. I will give you example. पहले आप इसको basics को समझो, then I will give you the example. Okay. So if the determinant of A is 0, then we say rank of matrix A will be less than 3. So we will take a minor of order 2x2. एक भी non zero मिल गया, then we will say rank of matrix A will be 2. If all the minors are non, next, should I move to the next page?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Case 3. If all the minors are 0, all the 9 minors are 0. If all the minors, if all 9 minors, you can say if all 9 minors are 0, then rank of matrix A will be 1. So note this point. ये point note करना है अपने. First, only, sir, have you made the math group? No, but I will make a math group as well. Only in case of zero matrix, the rank is 0. Only in case of zero matrix, the rank is 0. Otherwise, minimum rank will be 1. Otherwise, minimum rank will be 1. Okay. Second, अभी आपके एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. If the order of a matrix is m by n, now it is not a square matrix, it may be square, it may not be square. If the order of a matrix m by n, then the maximum rank of a matrix will be either m or n, whichever is less. Please take care of this point. If the order of a matrix is m by n, then the maximum rank of that matrix will be either m or n, whichever is less. आप ज़्यादा लिख करती हो.
सही बात है.
Clear? Now I'll give you the example. Because this part is very important. Later on, I will give you another method for the rank of the matrix. Because this is a very lengthy process. We have an unofficial. If the order of a matrix is m by n, then the maximum rank of a matrix will be either m or n, whichever is less. सोनल, आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो ना बेटा? यस सोनल एंड आशीष, आप ही की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तो उसकी मतलब जो रिकॉर्डिंग होगी ना, उसको डाउनलोड करके आप शेयर कर लेना. तो जो भी आपके डाउट्स होंगे, वी विल टेक दोस डाउट्स इन ट्यूटोरियल एज वेल. ठीक है? अगर आपका कोई अनऑफिशियल ग्रुप बना है, उसमें आप मेरे को ऐड कर लीजिए, मैथमेटिक्स ग्रुप बना के उसको. ओके सोनल, आप एक मैथमेटिक्स ग्रुप बना लीजिए रादर देन कोई अनऑफिशियल ग्रुप बनाए हम, जस्ट टू मेक एन एक मैथमेटिक्स ग्रुप बना ले हम लोग. उसमें कोई भी अननेसेसरी मैसेज नहीं होना चाहिए बेटे. टेक केयर. तो आप बाकी ग्रुप से उठा लेना बेटा नंबर. सो जस्ट मेक ए व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप फॉर मैथमेटिक्स 51. तो मैंने लास्ट पॉइंट यह है, इफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स इज m by n, then the maximum rank of matrix will be either m or n, whichever is less. whichever is less. बेटा यहाँ पे नंबर ऐड नहीं कर पाएंगे वो लोग, उसके लिए एक अलग ग्रुप बनेगा. आपके सेक्शन वाइज बने हुए हैं, तो उसमें से बन जाएगा बेटा ग्रुप. So see an example. कि एक मैट्रिक्स आपको दी है 1 2 3 1 4 2 2 6 5. ये मैट्रिक्स है. यू आर हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द मेथड ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट. टेक द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए. इसको डिटर्मिनेंट बना दीजिए. यू विल गेट 20 minus 12 minus 2 5 minus 4 plus 3 6 minus 8. यहाँ पे this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So rank will, if A is less than equal to 3, you can say 8 minus 2 minus 6. Determinant of A is 0. It means rank of matrix A will be less than 3. Now it will not be 3. Is it clear? Now the rank is not equal to 3. Now we are taking a minor of order 2 by 2. ये उठा लेते हैं. 1 2 1 4. See, you are getting 4 minus 2. 2 not equal to 0. We have taken a minor of order 2 by 2, which is non-zero. So rank of matrix A is 2. Rank of matrix A is 2. Is it clear, students? यस स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्लियर है आपको सभी को? कैसे निकाला रैंक? फर्स्ट वी हैव चेक द फाइंड द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए. वी आर गेटिंग 0. देन वी से द रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज लेस देन 3. So then we have taken a minor of order 2 by 2. छोटा है ये direct formula to find it. Yes, this is one of the method. This is one of the method, but if you are having a matrix of 4 by 4 order, if you are having a matrix of order 4 by 4, then what you will do? It is a, if you are getting a matrix of order 4 by 4, determinant is 0. Then you will take the minor of order 3 by 3, all the determinants are 0. तो उसमें आपका सारा टाइम कंज्यूम हो जाएगा. Then this method is not feasible. Feasible है, but this is a very lengthy process. So to reduce this process, we are implementing some another method to find rank of the matrix. Clear? वो क्या है वो मैं अब आपको बताता हूँ. ये वाला तो क्लियर है सभी को? वो है elementary operations. Those are elementary operations. Elementary operations. See, what are the elementary operations? It may be interchanging of rows or columns. It may be interchanging of rows or columns, because while we are interchanging two rows or two columns, it will not affect the rank of the matrix. It will not affect the rank of the matrix. क्यों? If we are interchanging two rows columns, अगर determinant 0 है तो 0 रहेगा, अगर 5 है it becomes -5, means 0 becomes 0 and non-zero becomes non-zero. So interchanging of rows or columns will not change the rank of the matrix. So we can apply this operation. We can apply this operation. Key interchanging of R1 R2. Second, to multiply any row or column by some scalar. To multiply any row or column by some scalar. If the determinant is 0, if we multiply that determinant by some scalar, it becomes 0. If it is non-zero, अगर स्केलर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे that will be non-zero. तो इससे भी हमारे रैंक के ऊपर फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. थर्ड, to multiply any row or column by some scalar and adding to the another row. To multiply any row or column by some scalar and adding to the another row, it will not also change the rank of the matrix. जैसे हमारे पास ये मैट्रिक्स है, आप देखिए A11 12 13 21 22 23 31 32 33. ओके, अगर मैं करता हूँ R1 में R1 प्लस लैम्डा टाइम्स R2, if I am applying this operation R1 plus lambda times R2, तो मेरे पास क्या मैट्रिक्स बन जाएगी? A11 plus lambda time A21, A12 plus lambda time A22, A13 plus lambda times A23, A21, A22, A23, 31, 32. ये बन जाएगी हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स कि मैंने R2 रो, I multiplied the second row by some scalar and added to the first row. Now if we are taking the determinant of this matrix, now should I move to the next page? Yes, should I move to the next page? Okay. Gorika Gupta, she is noting down. मैंने सेकेंड रो को लैम्डा से मल्टीप्लाई किया है और फर्स्ट रो में ऐड किया है. नाउ आई मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. देखिए मैं डिटर्मिनेंट ले रहा हूं A11 plus lambda time A12 21 था सॉरी A12 plus lambda time A22 A13 plus lambda time A23 21 22 number instead of A11 एक मिनट रुकिए we are taking determinant of this one. Yes sir, can you please take number instead of A11? Which number you want to take? A11 means first row first column, 1 2 1 first row second column, 1 3 first row third column bete. So we are taking the determinant of it. Now you can separate it. A11 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. कार्तिकेय जांगड़ा. Is there जिसको कोई डाउट है please raise your hand. Lambda A22 lambda time A23 A21 22 23 31 32 33. This is equal to determinant of A plus lambda times A21 22 23 A21 22 23 31 32 33. Now see, these two rows are same, so the determinant is 0. तो क्या फर्क पड़ा? डिटर्मिनेंट के ऊपर कोई असर नहीं पड़ा. Means if we multiply any row or column by scalar and adding to the another row and column, it will not affect the rank of the matrix, because we will use these elementary operation to find the rank of the matrix. Wait बेटा, I will give you the example. पहले हमें उसके बेसिक्स को करना चाहिए, फिर एग्जांपल पे जाना चाहिए. Basics should be clear to you. Without basics there is no need of चलिए मैं पिछले वाले एग्जांपल को इसी मेथड से करवाता हूं. See the previous question. This is a matrix A 1 2 3 1 4 2 2 6 5. This is called जो first element होता है, first element is called principal diagonal element. First element of the matrix. First, please note down this point. I will use that point so many times. The first element of the matrix is known as the principal diagonal element. First element of the matrix is known as the principal diagonal element. Please note down this point. Keep this point in your mind, as I will use this point so many times in our questions. The first element is known as principal diagonal element. So corresponding to these diagonal elements, we will make these two elements to be 0. How we will make this 0? R2 minus R1. R3 में R3 minus 2R1. Corresponding to this principal diagonal element, we will make these two elements to be 0. In R2 we will apply R2 minus R1. In R3 R3 minus 2R1. 1 2 3 0. R2 minus R1. 4 minus 2 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 0 2 minus 1. Yes, this point is clear or not? Yes, whether this point is clear or not? Yes, students. Okay, is it clear? So let's move to the next step. Now this element is 0, this one is 0. Now we will use the second row. Corresponding to this element, we will make this element to be 0. In R3 we will apply R3 minus R2. In R3 we will apply R3 minus R2. It will be 1 2 3 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Now see, the last row becomes 0. Now the last row is 0. It means determinant will be, yes, what will be the determinant? Determinant will be 0. So rank cannot be 3. Okay. Now the rank of a matrix A is less than 3. So we'll take a minor of order 2 by 2 from here, which is 2, not equal to 0. Now the rank of matrix A is 2. Now the rank of the matrix A is 2. Is it clear, students? Yes, students, clear है सभी को ये कैसे निकाला रैंक? Operations are clear. अगर किसी को डाउट है, प्लीज दे he or she can raise their hand. वंश, बताइए वंश. वंश, क्या डाउट है बेटे आपको?
सर वो एक और बार बता दीजिए सर, लास्ट टाइम आपने जो किया ना सर 0 0 क्यों किया सर?
ये देखिए मैंने इसके
सबसे
कोरस्पॉन्डिंग,
लास्ट रो में।
हाँ तो इसके कोरस्पॉन्डिंग मैंने इम्प्लीमेंट किया ये R3 में R3 माइनस R2, R3 माइनस R2, तो 2 माइनस 2 0, माइनस 1 प्लस 1 0 हो जाएगा. Now the last row becomes 0. If one row or one column of a matrix is 0, determinant will be, क्या होता है determinant?
सर
Determinant 0 होता है ना, तो इसका मतलब रैंक
यस सर।
cannot be 3. तो फिर then what we had done, we had taken a minor of order 2 by 2, 1 2 0 2, which determinant is non-zero. So in that case we are getting a minor of order 2 by 2, so rank is 2. Is it clear? Yes, Vansh.
सर।
अभी और क्वेश्चंस करेंगे हम, सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे. आई जस्ट गिव यू ए सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 by 3. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग ओनली 2 मिनट्स. तो आप एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करेंगे रैंक का. आई जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ए क्वेश्चन, तो आपने ट्राई करना बेटे ये. भाई मेरा देखना, मैं तो लेते लेते रह गया. 1 4 5 कुछ भी लिया. 2 6 8 7 बाई. So please, you will try this question. So rest you will do next time. Beta, only 1 minute is left. Please note down this question and try this question. The rest we will do next time. We will do some another questions as well. तो जब तक आपकी तसल्ली नहीं हो जाएगी ना, तब तक हम आगे नहीं चलेंगे. We will do the questions related to this one in tutorial. So thank you everyone. Don't hesitate to ask the question, beta. यार ने जल्दी निकाल भी दिया भाई, बाकियों को भी टाइम दे दो थोड़ा सा. चलिए, वेरी गुड. So thank you everyone. Now you can leave the session, beta. Everyone, now you can leave the session. Please leave the session, students. Hurry up. Everyone, please leave the session.